Hi, this is Maria from DripWorks, and today we're going to install drip irrigation in a 4x6 bed. So for this, we're going to need our 1/2-inch main line, which is low density polyethylene line. We're going to be using the 1/2-inch emitter drip line, a poly cutter, some U-shaped hold downs or garden staples, however you know them. We're going to need some end fittings. I will be using 4 end fittings, 4 T's, and then I'll be using 1 figure-8 end. So let's get started. I like to roll out my 1/2-inch main line across the width of the garden bed. So we'll go ahead and we'll measure out. I'm going to be connecting this end to our Easy Lock elbow. Once it's over the barb, I want to use the locking nut on the Easy Lock and just secure that in place. We can roll out the 1/2-inch main line. And I'm going to measure this out. So I'm going to cut this about right here. So using this really nice poly cutter, I'm going to give this a really nice clean cut. I'm going to grab my figure-8 end to seal this off. And then you want to make sure it ends up looking like this. Basically what you're doing is you're kinking the tubing so that it stops the water flow. After that, I'm going to grab my hold down stake. And I'm just doing this just to keep it in place because I'm going to be making some cuts to this so I can attach my 1/2-inch emitter line here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to measure this out, and I'll be laying out my laterals, and I'll be showing you how to do that next. I'm going to be using this T to branch off from my feeder line into this drip line. And again, you want to secure these in place. So I'm going to go and grab this other end, and I'm going to use this Easy Lock male end with a cap. And I like using the ones with the cap because I can flush out the system a lot easier. So if you're running nutrients through your drip line, you can always just unscrew the cap and give it a nice easy flush to clean any debris or anything that might be, sitting in that line, and it will prevent it from clogging. So now I'm going to cut into my 1/2-inch main line to attach the T. Just attaching your tubing. The barb, I'm just going to go ahead and seal this again. And then what I want to do is I'm going to use my hold down stakes to kind of just keep this drip line in place while I attach the other ones. And then just go ahead and, finish it up with aligning everything just kind of the way you need it. Okay, and there we have it. We have installed 1/2-inch emitter line using some T's, some ends, and some 1/2-inch main line. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in our next video.